Want to watch your favorite shows using IPTV on Firestick? Let's dive into how to set it up in less than 10 minutes. First, check out 2TV Store, the best IPTV provider, for incredible content options. Start by enabling developer options in your Firestick settings. Head to My Fire TV, click on Developer Options, and turn on apps from unknown sources. Next, download the Downloader app from the Amazon App Store. This is your gateway to side-loading IPTV apps. Open Downloader and enter the URL for IPTV Smarters Pro or TVMate, which are fantastic apps for IPTV. After installation, launch the app and enter your IPTV service credentials, or upload your M3U playlist. Watch out for common mistakes, like entering incorrect credentials or forgetting to enable permissions. Now you're all set to enjoy live TV streaming. Remember, for the best experience, always check out 2TV Store for your IPTV